So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be pickling eggs. These are just some of my ingredients. I just mainly used distilled vinegar, 5% acidity, 3.5 cups of that, and 3.5 cups of water, with 10.5 tablespoons of kosher salt and 2.5 tablespoons of just some white sugar. And then I will let this cool down a little bit so I don't break my jar. And I will take this and pour it into here after I finish putting my ingredients in. There's 2 more, 3, 4, 5. And I'll just take some peppercorns, sprinkle on top. I dehydrated some jalapeno peppers. You'll have to take my word on that. Last year, just put some in here, along with some parsley and cilantro, and some onions that I grew from my garden. Just throw them in there. Who doesn't like pickled onions, right? They're so good for you. And some red pepper. The amount is up to you. However you want. The taste that you like. Oh, here's the lid. Oh, so these are my dehydrated cayenne jalapeno peppers from 2020. Yes, they are hot. That's what this little jar is.